Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace, then it's a really simple process. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So first things first, head over to the Facebook app or website. Once you're here, you're going to want to find menu. So the menu on the app is in the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you find the menu, you're going to want to look for the Marketplace out of these 12 options. Once you find it, you're going to want to go ahead and click on it. It'll bring you to this page here where it's going to welcome you to the Marketplace. Once you click that, you can click next and then click I understand for the marketplace rules. And then once you do that, it's going to load for a bit. So you can read through the rules if you want to. But as you can see, it glitched out and it sent me back. So I just have to do it one more time. Click understand, and then it loads up the Facebook Marketplace right here. As you can see, you can go through and buy whatever you want. But to sell something, you want to click sell in the top left corner of the screen. So there should be a sell button right there. Once you click on sell, it's going to bring you to the selling page. Here's going to show all the analytics for everything that you're selling. So if you want to go ahead and create a listing, then you can. So click create listing, and once you create listing, there's going to be 3 options: items, vehicles, or home for sale or rent. So choose the thing that you want to sell. So I'm going to choose item, and then once you do that, you can add photos to the listing. So you can add up to 10 photos. I'm just going to choose some random photos that I have on my phone, just screenshots, but you can choose add up to 10 photos of the object that you want to sell. So those were, and then you want to put in the title of the object that you're selling. You want to put in the price that you want to sell it for. Then you want to put in the category for that item. So go ahead and search for the item. If you can find it, then you can go ahead and choose it. And there should be an option for that item where no matter whatever the item is. So once you do that, you can go and save that. And then you want to put in the condition of the item. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and also put in a description for the item as well. So whatever describes the item well, you can go ahead and put that in. So once you do that, you can go ahead and scroll down a bit more, and you can choose the location that you want to sell it from as well. But if you want to add more details, then there's more details, as you can see here, that you can put in. But once you choose everything that you want to do, you can choose the color, and you can choose the brand, you can choose the type, you can choose like everything pretty much. So you can go ahead and do that if you want to do that, and you want to add as many details as you can so people that are looking for this certain object can find it as well. But once you do that, there's additional listing options that you can add in as well. So if you want to, you can do that, but as you can see, it's gonna bring you back up to the top if you add additional listing options. And once you do that, you can scroll all the way down, and as you can see, there's more additional options that you can add in, like the tags or the number for the object, or if you want to do a public meetup, a door pickup, or a door drop off. So you can choose whichever option that you want to do this as well. But once you're done setting up your listing, you can just click next in the top right corner and then click publish. And once you click publish, it will publish the listing. So you just have to wait a bit, and then it will publish the listing, and you'll be selling an item. So that is how you can sell on Marketplace. So you just have to load a bit, and as you can see, it has loaded up. And after you publish it, you can still edit the listing as much as you want. Just click on the 3 dots to the right of it, and then you can delete the listing, edit the listing, view the listing, and then but you can do whatever you want. But that is how you sell on Marketplace. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.